In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide with Google, focusing on how you can set up and promote your products effectively on Gumroad. Whether you're a seasoned digital creator or someone just starting out, this process can enhance your online presence and drive more traffic to your products. First, let's navigate to the Gumroad website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Gumroad. This will lead you to a platform that has become popular for creators looking to sell digital or physical products directly to their audiences. Gumroad makes it incredibly easy to manage your products and is a great tool for anyone looking to monetize their creations. Once you're on Gumroad, your next step is to drive traffic to your site, which starts with listing a new product. Click on the Products tab and then select New Product. This is where you'll be able to showcase what you're offering. Start by entering a catchy product name, something that's memorable and clearly describes what your product is all about. Following this, choose the category that best fits your product. This selection helps potential buyers find your item when they're browsing through categories on the platform. Next, set the price. Think about the value your product provides and what your target audience would be willing to pay for it. If you're unsure, you might consider browsing similar products to get an idea of the going rate. After you've set the price, it's time to write a compelling description. A good description not only provides information about the product, but can also engage your potential customers by highlighting the benefits and features that make it unique. Aim to write in a conversational tone, making sure to avoid any jargon that your audience might not understand. Now you'll need to upload your product file. This could be a digital file like an ebook, music track, or art print, depending on what you're selling. Don't forget to add an eye-catching thumbnail. This image is the first thing potential customers will see, so make it representative and appealing. Once all these elements are in place, you're ready to hit publish. But publishing is just the beginning. To drive traffic, you'll want to share your newly listed product across your social media platforms. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok are great for reaching broad audiences. You could create engaging posts or stories that link back to your Gumroad page, encouraging your followers to check out what you have to offer. And that's it. With these steps, you're set up on Gumroad and ready to market your products effectively. This straightforward process not only helps you manage your products efficiently, but also puts you on the right path to maximizing your reach and sales. Thanks for following along and happy selling.